Hi and welcome to this new video. Our topic today is going to be WordPress. So do I need to buy a WordPress theme from an external agency or can I use the standard WordPress themes? In my opinion, you don't need to buy a WordPress theme. You can rely on the standard WordPress theme because of many reasons. And let me show you why. So this is a WordPress installation. This is my own website. Let's go to appearance and let's customize my 2024 theme. And it's similar to 2025. And here on a standard WordPress theme, we have like really amazing options. We can customize the navigation here without programming or without any extra plugin. So it's a standard function in 2024 and 2025 as well. And here we have the style. Here I can set up a style for my website. I can define the typography. For example, here are my fonts that I'm using in my website. Here I can define the body text of my website. For example, here it's Roboto. Here I can change the style, the size and everything. And here I can go to the heading and define here the hierarchy in my website. So what's the size of the heading 1? What's the size of heading 2? And here we have also pages. Here I can save pages to reuse them. And here we have also the published pages. Here we have scheduled. And I think the most important things are the templates. Here I can create templates and reuse them in the website. And the last thing and the most important thing is the patterns. And here, when we click on patterns, here we have ready to use elements or templates. For example, we have this nice grid layout. And here we have service call out to action, and here we have under it a lot of categories, and they are all ready to use with one click, and then you can customize them, add the text to them, and that's it. You have a lot of options. You can check them all and decide which one suits your design or your website. And the most important thing, this is working without any extra plugin. So when we buy a WordPress theme, usually it comes with 1000 plugins, and these plugins are kind of headache because they need updates all the time and they cause problems in the website. And with such an option in WordPress, it's really easy to just install and use these ready templates, just adjust your colors, typography, and deploy it and make it online. That's all for today. Hope you learned something from the video. If you have any question, please leave a comment.